your
Okay.
body just crashes. Then how to go? I mean, you have the money to go, but the body is not agreeing. Hi, how are you doing? Hello.
Yeah, I'm doing good. And what about you?
All
How are you?
good, all good. Deepak, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you are a fitness expert.
Yeah, you're
Wow.
right. Mm-hmm.
All right. And where
I'm,
are you, Deepak? Which place are you in?
I'm Delhi.
In Delhi. Okay. So, what are your English language goals? What are you looking to achieve through Clapping Go?
I want to be fluent in English.
You want to be fluent in English. Okay,
Yes.
wonderful. Okay. Because you, being a fitness expert, you need to talk to people and
Not like that. Yeah, it is also, but just I want to be. It's not because I'm a fitness, but I need to talk to people. I can talk still, but just this is skill. Everybody must learn. Whether you are a fitness coach, doctor, teacher, engineer, or
yes, absolutely.
cricketer,
Yes,
everybody
I
must
agree with you.
learn.
Yes, I agree with you because I have a lot of students who want to speak to their colleagues or they want to speak to their clients or and so they want to be more confident and communicate more effectively, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'll begin with has and have. So when do we use, according to you, when do we use has and when do we use have?
To be very honest, ma'am, you can see how many numbers of class I have gone through, and this is a very basic uh, teaching like a grammar. It's like a one or two or three third class student. So I went through these all things past 10 years ago, 20 years ago. So let's talk conversation. Let's have as much as we can conversation. Okay, that will be better for me and you also.
Okay. All right. So I'll tell you, okay, I will then let me tell you because see, it's very important to touch up a bit of grammar. It's very important. Do you agree that grammar is very important? It's an important part of any language.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Yes. So once you are very sound with your grammar, you will be absolutely, you will be very sure of yourself. Okay. All right. So has is used in singular nouns when we talk about one thing and with the pronouns he, she, and it. Okay. And has is used in plurals and with I, you, we, and they. All right. So now, can you give me one sentence with has? Anything that comes to your mind?
Rohit has won the World Cup. Sharma has won the World Cup. Rohit Sharma has won the World Cup.
Has won the World Cup.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me one sentence with have.
And India have won the World Cup.
India. Okay. So now see for India, because India is singular. So we cannot use have is used for plurals.
Oh, India has. India have or has yet.
We will say India has because India is singular. It's one country. So it comes under it. It comes under it. Rohit
Okay.
Sharma is a name of a boy. So it comes
Okay.
under he. So he has.
Okay.
Similarly, a girl's name, suppose Reena. Reena has bought a new dress today. But the minute we come to a plural, then we will use have.
Okay.
But
Okay.
for
Mhm.
I and you, we will use have.
Okay. I got it. You have a good
Got it?
command. You have
So
good command.
okay, give me a sentence with I.
What?
I. Give me a
I
sentence with I. I have.
I have multiple source of income.
Okay, good. Okay, fine. Give me a sentence using a plural.
Sure.
Plural.
They
More than one.
have they have more intelligent. I think they have multiple business, and that is why you also want to be like them. Yes.
They have multiple businesses. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, perfect. Now let's get started. So the topic is self improvement. So have you had the time to go through the topic?
No, I don't get topic notes.
Oh, you didn't get? Okay. Okay. So if you just click onto the session notes, you can just quickly go through it. But that's okay. It doesn't matter. These are all very basic topics. We can
That
just
is why
talk
they
about
don't.
them. No worries. Okay. So now I'm going to give you two topics. You have to select one out of them. Okay. And you have to speak extempo for at least for 2 minutes. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So the first topic is happy versus successful.
Mm-hmm.
Happy versus successful, or best small business ideas.
Let's talk about.
What do you
We'll
want to
talk.
talk about?
We'll talk both. Both.
Okay. So get started. You have to
Happy,
select one.
happy versus successful.
Okay. Start.
No, no. Yeah, let me tell you one thing. Everybody has different definition of being happy or being successful. Right. I have seen people have a lot of money. They have everything. Okay, that or mediocre people want, but they are not happy. And on the other hand, I have seen people are pretending to be, oh, they are happy without money, or they are mediocre. Still, they are pretending to be happy, but they are not happy. Right.
Okay.
Happiness will come when you will be
When you happiness will come when
successful. You when you believe that you now what is my purpose, I have fulfilled that purpose, my divine assignment. You will realize who I am and what is my assignment. And if you are doing that, if you have completed your assignment, then you will feel like, oh, I have done my assignment. Now I'm happy. Now I'm right. Like India, ask this question from Rohit sir. Sir, what was his assignment? To make India won the World Cup. Right? After being successful, you will be happy. If you truly want to be happy. On the other hand, you are saying, oh, people get satisfied. At the end, you need peace, happiness. Obviously, you need peace and happiness, but all will come after your work, peace and
okay.
happiness. Right. So I don't know this kinds of philosophy will people teach on social media on YouTube that happiness, but first come works and then happy. You will get peace and happiness. Without working, you cannot have. You can only be do pretend to be happy and so on social media and aspire these kinds of things. Oh, I'm happy. I need peace. I feel right. So be successful. The essence of life to not uh, live mediocre life. The essence of life to learning, growing, and giving.
Excellent. Very true.
Yes.
That's so true.
Capability. I'm a fitness coach. If you have capability to hit push up 50 push up and you are hitting 40, 45, you are 5 down. Right? God has given you a strength of hitting 50 push ups and you are hitting 40 or 50, you're 5 down. And if you will be doing for 5 years, 10 years, 5 down, after over a period of time, you can think how you will be diminishing your life, your strength, your power, your
Yes.
state after 10 years, after 15 years. And you will say, oh, why should I do 50 push-ups? I'm happy with 45 or 40. Oh, you are misusing the God power, the strength God has given to you. You are not using strength here of you.
True. So what
Right?
according to you, what is so what is the entire what is the crux of the whole thing? I mean, how do you want to just give a brief ending to
I
this?
say, for me, I'm not saying I'm correct. Okay, my definition of success is absolutely right. I may be wrong. But let me tell you, my definition of success means you have freedom of time, you have freedom of money, you have freedom of family, wherever you want to go, whatever you want to buy, whenever you want to buy, whomever with you want to buy, whenever you want to buy, you can do your all desires thing without worrying about other people's circumstances, your circumstances, money, relationship. When you have freedom of almost everything, then you'll be successful. And you will see this is hard. I can show you the people, they are living the life the way they want.
Yes.
They
True.
they are
Very true.
spreading positive vibe in society. They are teaching millions of people, okay, in a day, how to live a life or in fullest potential.
Yes.
So I believe first become
So true.
and you will be happy and you will achieve peace and freedom, whatever you want.
Okay. Okay. I think that was pretty well said. But what I would like to say is that's good. You were able to put your thoughts into words. That was excellent. But what I would say at this point of time is just give pauses, appropriate pauses. Okay. When you're saying something, when you're trying to explain something to somebody, just give appropriate pauses so that, and just wait for a second or two, just wait for a couple of seconds to see that the other person has understood you or not. Okay. So this is my suggestion. Rest, I think it was quite good. It was quite well put and well explained, and exactly what you wanted and what you wanted to portray. It was quite well explained. Okay. Okay. So let's continue. All right. Uh, so what are you doing this year? We all have New Year's resolutions. Now we already read July. What are you doing this year to improve yourself?
I'm learning English communication, English language. Okay, I'm reading books.
Yes.
Uh,
Good.
I'm already working on my health for past 10 years. And I'm after generating another source of income. And yeah, these things I'm working on. On these things
Lovely.
I'm
You're doing a lot. You're doing quite a lot. Okay.
yeah,
So, how are all these things bringing about a change in you? How do you see yourself changing?
I'm singing. I say I'm happy. I'm happy with the way I spend my time and the way I account, the way I live my life. I have to, by the grace of God, I'm happy with my compensation. Okay. Obviously, I need to grow better. Like I say, I'm getting another source of income, and I have time to work on my health. I have time to read books. I have time to spare time with my family in afternoon, like I'm having conversations. Okay, right,
Yes.
I have to, most people they are doing 9 to 5 jobs, and when you ask them, oh, attend night class or evening class, then improvement. They say, oh, I don't have time to do this. I don't have time to go to the gym. I don't have time to work out, but I have, right?
So
So by the
you're living each moment of your life. You're not
yes,
wasting you're not wasting any time at all. You're doing so much for self-improvement.
yes, yeah, you are right, ma'am.
Okay.
So, by the grace of God, God has given me this beautiful gift to choose my profession as per me, the things I want to do.
Hmm.
And that's what I'm doing. That is the biggest gift God has given to me. And second things, in that profession, I have created my own time. I have made my
Yes.
own spend my time. So that's where I'm living my life, and it's blessings, especially in these days.
Okay. Lovely. Uh, okay. Let me ask you something else now. Anyone else you know who has taken any steps to improve, any friend or any family member, somebody who's doing something special in order to improve himself or herself?
I have never come across anybody.
No. You don't know
Everybody,
anybody.
everybody wants, but they don't want to take action.
Right. Okay. Why do you think self improvement is important? Why do you think it's important? A person can just keep living the way he or she is. Why is self improvement important?
Uh, Let me tell you, if you truly want to grow, human brain are not designed to thrive. That has designed to survive. And surviving means consuming energy. Thriving means expanding energy. Right. When you expand energy, you feel uncomfortable. You feel, oh, this is bad. Right. This is not feeling good. Still, you are doing for your weight. Right. If you want to improve your health, right, you go to the gym
Yes.
to lift weights. There is a soreness. There is a pain in your body. In the part of your body. What does it say? Oh, it's hurting. Don't do it. But still do it. After, and you will go to the gym every single day over the 5 year, over the period of time. After a few years, you will be like stronger. You will be fitter. You will be confident. You look better.
Right.
That means that things is changing. Similarly, when you choose uncomfortable path that very few people choose to walk on, that's where you can be identified in the crowd that, oh, Anjali is great. She is fit. She is speaker. Okay. She's confident. She is leader in the crowd. So yeah, life, as I said, life is all about learning, growing, giving. If you're not
Yes.
learning, not growing. If you're not growing, you are not happy. If you're not happy, what else you need?
Right. It's
You
a
are living.
continuous process. Learning is a continuous process.
Yes.
Every day we have, every day we should be able to learn something new and we should be receptive towards it. Sometimes what happens is we just close ourselves, and we think that, oh, we are just perfect and we've learned everything that we need to know. But we should be receptive and we should be open to learning something new, right?
And whatever, yes, you're right, 100%. And one of few days back, I just started to working, talking to one of my known, and he was excellent in math, right? Excellent in study in his schooling time and college time. And we started having conversation. I asked, okay, you are doing job for past this many years. Okay, can you ask me your formula of maths? Okay, tell me. Then he followed those things, those all formula and those all questions, answer to the
Hmm.
question. That means if you are not using your mind, you are decaying, you are decreasing, right?
Yes, you're
Shrinking,
decaying somewhere. Yes,
right?
true.
Change is automatic. Change is automatic,
I agree
but
with you.
you are changing, constructive way and a destructive way. That way you
Yes,
are being, if you are not using your body, okay, to exercise, your body being changed. It's diminishing. Your cells is being diminishing after every year. That
true.
is why
I agree with you.
we must learn. Till the time we are learning, we are growing. If you stop growing, you stop earning. You stop making money. When you stop making money, you will feel
Yes.
that you will start blaming job, your boss, your school, your government, your society, your community,
Yeah,
and
true.
blamer.
Okay. So, do you feel that it's important to be physically fit in order to be mentally fit? Both the things go hand in hand completely, right? That's what you have
Yes,
been stressing on up till now. Extremely important to be physically fit in order to be mentally fit.
yes, be mentally fit, physically fit as much as you can, because if you have all the things you wanted to get and you have everything, right? And one day, okay, you want to go on vacation, and next day you want to go, but your body and mind say, you can't wake up early in the morning,
Yes.
you can't
Yes,
go
your
here.
body just crashes. Then how to go? I mean, you have the money to go, but the body is not agreeing.
Not allowing you.
Then
So what
what
is
to
the
do?
all money
Yeah,
accumulating wealth? There is no use.
true. Very true. I agree with you. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you some words and you have to give me the meaning in your own words, however you understand them. What do you understand by imbibe? Imbibe.
In I don't know.
Imbibe is just to absorb something, just absorb. Like we keep imbibing so much throughout the day, just absorbing something. Evolve, evolve,
I'm evolving. I'm evolving day by day in personal
changing
development.
gradually for the better. changing gradually for the better.
Yes.
Evolving is when we are getting better, not getting worse. Okay. Transformation. Transformation.
Yes, you are growing. Your physical health is being transformed. Transformative or
A complete change.
complete
Somebody who
shift.
just loses 20 kgs, totally transformed.
Yeah.
Okay. Upgrade.
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 Yeah, people are upgrading their TV, their watch, their cell phone, but they are not
They're upgrading
upgrading.
their social status. They're going on upgrading. Yeah, their lifestyle. They're upgrading their lifestyle. Sufficient. Sufficient.
Adequate.
Adequate.
Yeah.
Adequate. Enough. Whatever is required. Okay. Um, procrastinate. It's a long
Procrastinate.
word.
You are avoiding the work. You are
Perfect.
eluding.
You got it. Yes. Procrastinate means just putting it to the next day, not sure about something, tallowing, like how you said. Although we should not say it in an English class at all. Okay. Uh, lifestyle.
Lifestyle. How you are spending your day, right? The way you spend your day, that is called lifestyle.
Your
How you
standard
live.
of living.
Okay, what time do you go to work and come back home? How do you spend your time? Whether you spend your time with your family or not. So these all are part of lifestyle.
Yes. Okay. Uh, personality. Personality.
Okay.
Just say it
This
in
is a
your own words. It's okay.
personal. No, no, no. This is a very interesting question, and for very few people know this. What is personality? Yeah, if I ask, I have
Yes.
also think of many people, and they say, okay,
Yeah.
personality is a look. Obviously, this is a very small part of look, personality, right?
Yes.
And I what I have learned from book and that how you think, how you feel, right, and
How you behave. How you behave
how you
towards
behave.
others.
These all are called personality. How you act, how you think, how you feel, right. So yeah, this is the definition of personality. Yes.
It's all a part of personality, the entire personality of the person. Okay. Uh, character. How is it
Character,
different from personality?
it's a
Character.
different. Character means how you treat people, how you behave. This is also part of personality, obviously, and how you serve your service to other people. Now,
Yes.
what is your repo in the marketplace?
What are
This is
your what are your goal? I mean, how do you how do you achieve your goals? Something like that, right? I mean, it all forms a part of your character,
yes, yes, yes.
your mental and your uh, entire persona. Okay. Uh, ego. Ego. We keep talking about
So
ego all the time.
yeah, ego is a preserve how you are preserving yourself. Okay, and yeah, sometimes ego is good for yourself. So,
A bit of
but
ego is good. A bit of ego
sometimes
is good because it's actually self-esteem. It
self
is our self-esteem. So we have to have a bit of ego. But when we go overboard, then it is bad. Then it is
yeah,
bad when one becomes very egoistic and thinks that, okay, I'm the best, right?
yeah, and that is
Okay.
right.
All right. So I think we've had a good session. I really enjoyed the session with you. And I would just like to give you a little bit of feedback. Keep speaking in English, enhance your vocabulary, learn new words, keep learning new words, use them in your vocabulary. And as I told you earlier, give a pause. Give a pause. I think your speed
Sure.
is, you're like the fast, very, very super fast train. You want to just rush through all your ideas, right? So just give a pause. Just wait for the other person to understand. Okay? All right then.
Okay.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye.
So
Bye bye.